What makes this demo particularly unique is the diversity and sophistication of the existing energy system. This complexity allows the building to behave as a smart energy hub and even participate as a flexibility service provider to the grid. Another important point is that Palácio do Gelo is surrounded by mostly residential and lower consumption buildings. Its relative size and energy footprint make it a very proeminent actor in this local grid. This requires us to be extremely mindful about how and when flexibility is provided. After all, the building's primary mission is to offer an excellent experience to visitors, so comfort, stability and reliability must never be compromised. All of this makes this demo site a truly representative testbed for how large commercial buildings can actively contribute to the energy efficiency, flexibility markets and decarbonization while still serving thousands of people every day. Nestor is contributing to this transformation by bridging the gap between building-level energy management and grid-level flexibility services. More specifically, we are acting as system operator and market operator within the demo. This means we are not only helping assess how the building performs technically, but also evaluating its economic value as a flexibility provider. To do this, we're leveraging our real-time power system simulator and our cloud-based balancing market platform. These tools not only allow us to simulate how Palácio do Gelo could provide ancillary services, such as manual frequency restoration reserves, but also to actively enhance the building's readiness level for real-world market participation. In other words, we are not just testing its suitability as flexibility provider, we are enabling its transition into an operationally viable and interoperably active grid node. This unique positioning, combining real-time power system simulation, market interface, and practical constraints, allow us to demonstrate how commercial buildings can become active and reliable utility nodes, interoperating seamlessly with energy markets and grid operators. It's a testbed not just for technology, but for business case of building as flexibility providers. In my perspective, the key challenges dealing in such a demo are both the need to adapt proprietary solutions that are already in place to the solutions that are being developed but under the scope of WeForming project, but also the need to take into consideration the specificity of the usage of this building, since the comfort level of the visitants should never be compromised. The main lesson learned is that when we think about the flexibility that we can extract from the built environment, we should consider also the uses of that buildings. So this will somehow shape the type of approach and tools that we need to consider for such a demonstrator. R&D Nestor is also contributing with machine learning algorithms to support the other partner in this demonstrator, Ultrix, in their decision-making processes. So we are acting as a whole team in order to improve the Palácio do Gelo efficiency and decarbonization goals.